Hi, YouTube! Today we're going to learn how to make speaker box poop. Wood glue poop. Alright. It's pretty simple. You're going to want to do this, it's basically making like a wood filler paste glue stuff. So you're going to want your sawdust. And you don't have to use a little bag, and it doesn't have to have little weird things that you swept up off the floor in it. In fact, you probably don't want those things in it. But mine happens to have those things in it. I'll try to grab them out. Yeah. Get this stuff out of there. Get out of there. Oh, it's tobacco. That'll make it better. That's what it is. Okay, so I got some pretty clean little sawdust here. Now you can make this sawdust any way you want. You can sit around sanding wood all day to make yourself a little bit of sawdust, or you can do what I did and cut your wood, you know, and then after you cut your wood, you got sawdust. You're gonna take your wood glue. I got some Titebond Original, industry standard. I'm gonna use that. And you're just gonna take that. I'll show you now. You're gonna take that and you're gonna put it into your wood glue. I mean your sawdust, right? Lots. Alright, that's probably enough. If I need more, I'll add more. Also, you can water it down a little bit if you want to. That's fine. You know, it takes longer to dry. I don't know if it'd be quite as strong, but I don't know, I've done it. Alright, and then you just, you gotta mix your poop. You gotta mix your speaker box poop, your sawdust and your glue. Knead it around. You're gonna want a nice even mixture here. Now I'm going for a high build speaker box poop. I might have used a little bit too much sawdust here, but it's fine. I mean, a little bit too much glue, and you know, once you use too much glue, you can't really reduce it. But it's holding its shape pretty good. I think we're good. So yeah, just do this until you have a nice, consistent like paste. And then use it. Use it as a wood filler. Use it. I'm using it to glue joints right now. And it'll be fine. Now, if you're using it as a wood filler, gotta tell you, I've tried to sand it in the past, and it really doesn't sand that good. So there is that. But I have used it as a joint before, and it worked good. It worked good. It was fine. It was great. It was awesome. The box that I did that on was actually in a car accident. And it was still together. It was still fine. Took a chunk out of the wood itself, but the joint didn't fail. There were screws, but dude, it's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, dude. So anyway, that's how you do it. Don't let the cops find this on you. They'll accuse you of trafficking. But other than that, good to go.